Thank you for tuning into Cape Coral TV, our YouTube channel. And what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this 3-in-1 refurbishing machine. So if you are a shop owner and you have been looking into getting into refurbishing, this is an affordable way to do it. It's a 3-in-1 machine. It was sent to us by Injured Gadgets. So if you don't have an account with Injured Gadgets and you have a business license and your tax ID information, go ahead and sign up with them and you'll be able to get this very soon. So on with the unboxing, let's go. So this is cool that it has these hinges here, so it makes these boxes so much easier to open. The machine itself weighs 25 pounds, not including the box, obviously, just the machine on its own, and that's because it has a compressor and it also has a vacuum pump built into it. So it does have this silicone pad to make the suction better when it comes time to do the separation, and you just place it in there, turn it on, and then you can do your separation that way. You also have your plug that plugs into the wall, USA plug, and of course the other end goes into your machine. And depending on what country you're in, if you're buying this, let's say if you're not in the US like we are, where you can get it directly from Injured Gadgets, and you're in other parts of the world, you can get it directly with your plug for your country. And I'll post a link in the description below where you can get it anywhere in the world, and you'll be able to do refurbishing on a 3-in-1 machine. So we're going to go ahead and pull it, and you could just grab it from the bottom here. Again, keep in mind it's 25 pounds, so just pull it up like so, put it on your work table, and now let's get this guy out of the way. What comes inside the machine? Let's turn it around and align the camera, and we'll get a better view. Alright, so here it is. Like we mentioned before, we have this rubber or silicone pad for the top, and then you have this opening here because this chamber does the laminating and then also the debubbling. Everything's computerized, and inside here is where the lamination takes place and also the debubbling. So upon opening it, you will see that there is a rubber pad inside there, and that's so when you place your screen in there, it's on a rubber pad. And then looking inside there, let's see if we can get a better view on the inside. Yeah, so looking inside there, you can see the top part that comes down right here, and you do have a very nice size space. Now, what is this machine good for? You can use this machine for screen refurbishing of phones, any flat phones. It'll do just a fabulous job. So iPhones and some of the Android phones that are flat screen, not the curved screens. Although you may want to try it, I personally am not. I'm going to focus more on flat screen refurbishing, but it should do just fine. And then you do have a display here that pretty much your center control takes place. Just remember there is a plastic cover over it. You can remove it just so you can see it a little bit better. But this is a 3-in-1. You will have your separating up at the top and your lamination and debubbling at the bottom. Inside of it you have a small vacuum pump and also a small compressor. So some even claim to call it a 5-in-1. So for the price, it's a good entry-level price to get started into refurbishing. And if that's something you've been kind of tinkering over the last years, and now with the fact that you would move the chip from your original iPhone screen, if it's a glass only repair, you can offer it to your customers and tell them, look, in a couple of hours you could come back and pick up the phone. You will not get the error message, and all you have to do is change the glass. Of course, it is a little bit more labor intensive, but when it comes to doing all the work yourself, but it's an option for you as a shop owner. The machine is also fairly quiet. A conversation is about 50 decibels, and this machine is about 60 decibels. So everything's enclosed inside here, so that also helps keep it quiet. So if it's something you're looking into, you can get this directly from Injured Gadgets if you are in the United States. If you are in other parts of the world, Europe for example, we will also post a link in the description below where you can get it, and you also see the link in the description below where you can get this also direct from Injured Gadgets. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button and check out our future videos coming soon. Thank you for watching.